Welcome to this complete Havana Cuba guide. Imagine a city where time seems to have paused, allowing you to savor each moment. That's Havana for you. With a rich tapestry of history, a vibrant culture that pulsates in every corner, and a unique charm that's all its own, Havana is a city that promises an unforgettable experience. From the colonial architecture of Old Havana to the lively promenade of Malecón, the grandeur of El Capitolio, to the historical significance of Plaza de la Revolución, you'll find Havana to be a treasure trove of sights and sounds. Add to that the artistic splendor of Museo Nacional de Bella Arte, the imposing fortress of Castillo de los Estrellas Delmo, the whimsical world of Fustolandia, and the iconic La Bodeguita del Medio, and you've got 8 must-visit places in this city that are sure to captivate your senses. Prepare to be enchanted by the allure of Havana. First on our list is the heart of Havana, Habana Vieja. This is no ordinary city quarter, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to the rich tapestry of Cuba's history. Here, the past isn't just preserved, it's alive and well, pulsating in the narrow, winding streets that form a maze of wonders. Each turn reveals a new aspect of Cuban life, from the vibrant music that fills the air to the aroma of traditional Cuban cuisine wafting from local eateries. The architecture is a feast for the eyes, with grand colonial buildings standing tall, their facades a palette of pastel hues. Not to miss is the Plaza de la Catedral, the square that's home to the stunning Catedral de San Cristobal. Day or night, the atmosphere is electric, a symphony of sounds, sights and experiences that's quintessentially Cuban. Habana Vieja, a living museum where every corner tells a story. Next, we visit Havana's social hub, the Malecón. This stretch of sea wall is the city's heartbeat, pulsating with life from dawn till dusk and beyond. As the day breaks, you'll find fishermen casting their nets, joggers taking in the fresh ocean breeze, and locals simply basking in the morning sun. But it's when the sun dips below the horizon that the Malecón truly comes alive. Bathed in the glow of streetlights, the Malecón transforms into a vibrant social scene. Musicians strumming guitars, lovers stealing kisses, friends sharing stories. It's a tableau of Cuban life under the stars. The rhythm of salsa music mingles with the sound of crashing waves, creating a symphony that encapsulates the spirit of Havana. And then there's the view. The Atlantic Ocean stretches out, an endless expanse of blue, reminding you that you're on the edge of something truly magnificent. The Malecón, where Havana meets the sea. Our journey continues at the El Capitolio. This colossal structure stands as a proud symbol of Havana, its imposing silhouette a reminder of the city's rich history and vibrant culture. Drawing inspiration from the US Capitol, El Capitolio boasts a unique blend of neoclassical and Art Nouveau architectural styles. Its grand facade, adorned with intricate details, is a testament to the skilled craftsmanship of its time. Step inside and you'll find yourself in the awe-inspiring Hall of Lost Steps. Named for the echo produced by footsteps across its vast marble floor, this space is a marvel of acoustics. Towering above is the giant bronze statue of the Republic, a breathtaking sight to behold. El Capitolio is more than just a building, it's a symbol of Havana's resilience, its spirit, and its enduring charm. It reflects the city's past while also pointing to its future. El Capitolio, a testament to Havana's grandeur. Next, we visit the heart of Cuban politics, Plaza de la Revolución. This vast square has been a silent witness to defining moments of Cuban history. From Fidel Castro's impassioned speeches to the masses, to the Pope's visit in the late 90s, the plaza has seen it all. In the center stands the José Martí Memorial, a towering monument to Cuba's national hero. Martí's 109-meter-tall statue overlooks the square, a beacon of hope and resilience. Flanking the Ministry of Interior and Ministry of Informatics and Communications are 2 iconic images. The visage of Che Guevara, the revolutionary, and Camilo Cienfuegos, a leader in the Cuban Revolution, are immortalized in steel. They are reminders of the revolutionaries who dared to dream of a different Cuba. A visit to Havana would be incomplete without a stop at Plaza de la Revolución. It is more than just a square. It's a testament to Cuba's revolutionary past and its enduring spirit, Plaza de la Revolución, where history and politics converge. We now step into the world of Cuban art at the Museo Nacional de Bellas Artes. Housed in an architectural masterpiece, this museum is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Cuba, spanning over 5 centuries. From the early colonial period to the modern day, the museum's extensive collection showcases the evolution of Cuban art. Each brushstroke tells a tale of the island's history, its triumphs and challenges, and its vibrant cultural fabric. The diverse range of styles and periods represented here is truly astounding. You'll find everything from Baroque masterpieces to avant-garde installations, all under one roof. The museum is not just a gallery, it's a journey through time, offering glimpses of Cuba through the eyes of its most creative minds. Whether you're an art aficionado or a casual observer, the Museo Nacional de Bellas Artes is sure to captivate and inspire. Museo Nacional de Bellas Artes, a treasure trove of Cuban creativity. Our journey takes us next to the imposing Castillo de los Estrellas Delmo. This fortress, with its thick stone walls and strategic location, played a pivotal role in Havana's defense for centuries. It seems to whisper tales of pirate sieges and naval battles, serving as a steadfast sentry against those who dared to covet the city's wealth. From its elevated position, the Castillo offers stunning views of Havana and the azure sea that surrounds it. One could spend hours here, soaking in the sights, feeling the sea breeze and contemplating the city's dynamic history. A highlight of the fortress is the iconic lighthouse, standing tall and proud. It's more than just a beacon for ships, it's a symbol of Havana's resilience and enduring charm. At night, the lighthouse casts a gentle glow over the fortress, adding to its mystique. Castillo de los Tres Reyes del Moro, guarding Havana's past. Prepare to be dazzled by the colorful world of Fustalandia. Nestled in the heart of Havana, this artistic haven is the brainchild of the renowned Cuban artist José Fuster. Imagine a world gleaming with vibrant hues where every corner is adorned with intricate mosaics. This is Fustalandia, a living testament to Fuster's artistic genius. Fuster's work, inspired by the illustrious Spanish architect Antoni Gaudí, has transformed an entire neighborhood into an open-air art gallery. The whimsical designs, from fanciful creatures to abstract patterns, are a playful nod to the artist's vivid imagination. It's like stepping into a storybook where every tile tells a tale. Fustalandia is more than just an art project. It's a community brought together by the shared love of art, a place where creativity thrives and dreams are painted in Technicolor. So, pack your curiosity and get ready to journey into the heart of Cuban artistry. Fustalandia, where art and life merge in a riot of color. We conclude our tour at the legendary La Bodeguita del Medio. This charming establishment claims the honor of being the birthplace of the iconic mojito cocktail, a refreshing blend of rum, sugar, lime, sparkling water, and mint. Imagine sipping on this Cuban classic in the same spot where it was first concocted. The walls of La Bodeguita del Medio are adorned with the signatures of its numerous past patrons, a veritable who's who of the 20th century. Among them is none other than the renowned author Ernest Hemingway, who was said to frequent the bar during his time in Havana. His spirit, much like the spirit of the mojito, is infused in the very fabric of this place. The atmosphere here is lively and infectious. The air is filled with the rhythmic beats of salsa music, the clinking of glasses, and the animated chatter of visitors and locals alike. It's a sensory experience that truly encapsulates the essence of Havana, La Bodeguita del Medio, where Havana's spirit comes alive. And that, dear travelers, concludes our tour of Havana. We've navigated the vibrant maze of Old Havana, where history whispers from every corner. We've strolled along the Malecón, Havana's iconic sea drive, which is as much a lover's lane as it is a testament to the city's resilience. We beheld the grandeur of El Capitolio, a symbol of Havana's architectural prowess. We've stood in the Plaza de la Revolución, a place of power and protest. We've feasted our eyes on the masterpieces housed in the Museo Nacional de Bellas Artes. We've been captivated by the Castillo de los Tres Reyes del Moro, a fortress with a view that's worth 1,000 pictures. We've immersed ourselves in the quirky, colorful world of Fustalandia, and we've tasted the legendary mojitos at La Bodeguita del Medio, Hemingway's favorite haunt. Havana, a city that enchants and enthralls, a city that invites you to discover its many charms. Until next time, safe travels.